What's going on, guys? This is AP iPhone Help, and today I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade the RAM in your MacBook Pro. Now this is the mid-2010 model, but it does also work for other models. You just have to kind of go online and check, but basically all the steps are pretty much the same. And this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro 2010. So let's jump into it. Alrighty, so the first step that you're going to do is you're going to take your MacBook Pro, hit that power button, or turn it off in the actual display, and shut it down. Now, as you can see, mine is shutting down right now. Alright, so once your MacBook Pro is officially shut down, you're going to close, flip it to the other side, so that the MacBook Pro is on, or showing the bottom, and mine, as you can see, is pretty beat up, missing these little black dot things. But then you are going to take a Phillips head screwdriver. Now I'm almost 100% sure it is a 00 Phillips head screwdriver size, so if you do not have one, that is something you will need. And you're going to take out this, these screws right here. So I'll point them out right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're going to take out all of those screws in order to take the bottom off of your MacBook Pro. So let's do that a while. Alright, and then once you are done unscrewing all 10 of these screws around here, you're just simply going to lift up and remove the back plate of your MacBook Pro. Okay, now we can actually see the inside of your MacBook Pro, and this is why it is really important that you keep your MacBook off, because you know, this fan would be running if it was on, and the motherboard would be on, and you just really screw up your MacBook if your computer was on and you started taking parts out of it. Alrighty, so to do your RAM upgrade, you are simply going to find the board here that looks like this, and it is right above the battery. Right here is the battery. And once you find that board, there are going to be two clips that you just pull. The first one is here and one is here. And all you're going to do is just simply pull those out, so away from the clip, or from the board. And as you see, this here should just pop out. So you're going to lift it up slightly and pull the RAM out. And then you're going to do the same thing for the bottom piece of RAM, but you have to get down a little bit more. And as you see, this board just came right up. So you lift up slightly. Oh, make sure that's out here. There we go. Lift up slightly and it should just come right out. So just set them somewhere safe, and then we're going to get our replacement RAM to put back into the RAM slots. Alright, so once you have the RAM slots open and your new RAM ready to go, you're basically just going to put them back in the same way that you took them out. And don't worry if you did not pay attention to how you took them out. The smaller connector side is going to go on the left, and the larger, longer connection side on the right. You will be able to see it very clearly in the video, and actually on your actual MacBook Pro, because there's only really one way you can put the RAM in. So how you do it is you put the bottom one in first. So let's take our new RAM, and I'm upgrading from a 4 GB to an 8 GB RAM. The MacBook Pro 2010 13-inch only accepts an 8 GB. It does not accept anything higher. So you just slide it into the slot at an angle, and then you just simply push down, and there it is. The first RAM slot goes, or RAM card, yeah, the first RAM memory card goes back in, and we're on to the top card. So you're just going to simply slide the top one in, just as easily as that, and push down. It should just lock back into place. Alright, so once you have your RAM back in and ready to go, you're just going to put the back plate back on. Alright, and to put the back plate back on, you're simply going to just slide this little black piece here back into it first, and just set the plate down and just put the screws, all 10 screws, back into place. Alright, and then once all of the screws are back in place, all you're going to do is flip your MacBook back over, pull up the lid, turn it on, and make sure it turns on and is good to go. And as you can see, mine definitely is turning on, and we will just watch it as it comes back to life. Alrighty guys, thank you very much for watching this video on how to upgrade the RAM in your MacBook Pro mid-2010 13-inch model. That is the specific model that I have, but this basically works exactly the same for a lot of the other models. So if you like this video, hit that like button down below, comment down below. I'll definitely get back to you. I am getting a lot better on commenting and having conversations with fans. So if you have any problems, let me know, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.